Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best giant rubber ducks is probably one of the most iconic and joy-inducing pool accessories to ever grace the waters, bringing a sense of whimsical fun and nostalgic charm to any gathering or solo relaxation session. And while they might seem like a simple inflatable toy, choosing the right one involves considering several factors to ensure maximum enjoyment and durability for countless splashes to come. Number 5. XYWQ 100 Pack Rubber Ducks. Introducing the XYWQ 100 Pack Rubber Ducks, perfect for Jeep ducking adventures. These adorable duckies are ready to bring fun wherever they go. Each duck measures 2.3 inches, making them the ideal size for little hands. They are also fantastic as baby bath toys, ensuring splashy fun. With 50 unique varieties included, you'll receive a delightful assortment of characters, colors, and styles. These are great for collectors, kids, and anyone who loves a fun surprise. These bulk rubber ducks are perfect for party favors, birthdays, or simply enhancing bath time. They are designed for pretend play and endless enjoyment. Our mixed assorted rubber ducks are safe and fun bath toys for kids of all ages. They float wonderfully, adding extra joy to every splash. You'll get 100 colorful rubber ducks, each with its own unique character and style. While duplicates are possible, the variety ensures plenty of imaginative play. What we like? If you're looking for a massive variety of ducks for a fun activity, this is the pack for you. With 50 different designs, there's a unique character for everyone. Consider this if you're planning a large event or want to surprise many people with a fun surprise. What people say. The rubber duck is made of durable rubber material. It has a classic design that is recognizable and appealing. The duck floats well in water, making it great for bath time. Number 4. Trump Rubber Squeak Bath Duck. Introducing a fun bath toy that's perfect for little ones. Squeeze it and hear a delightful squeak. These aren't just for bath time. They make great decorations, party favors, or unique gifts for any occasion. This particular duck features caricatured traits of a well-known figure. It's a memorable item from a notable election. You can be sure you're getting a brand new, high-quality product. It's designed for endless fun and durability. Children adore playing with these in the tub. The squeaking sound adds an extra element of excitement to their bath. Looking for a special gift? This makes an excellent choice for birthdays, baby showers, or just because. What we like? If you're looking for a unique and humorous gift, this is the one. Its distinctive design makes it a memorable item for collectors or as a gag gift. You should consider this if you want something that stands out from typical bath toys and sparks conversation. What people say. This giant rubber duck is surprisingly durable and holds its shape even when fully inflated. The vibrant yellow color is exactly as pictured and makes a great statement piece for any pool or event. It's easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for storage and transport. Number 3. Cruise Ducks Tags Kits, 100 PCS Value Set. Get ready for an exciting cruise adventure with our complete duck tag kit. It's packed with everything you need to start the fun right away. This value set includes 30 adorable ducks, 30 customizable tags, and 40 rubber bands. That's more than enough for you and your fellow travelers to enjoy. The ducks are just the right size for hiding around the ship, and the tags are perfect for adding your personal touch. They're also great for water play. Make each duck uniquely yours. Write your name, sailing details, or a special message on the tags. It adds a personal touch to the game. Easily attach a tag to your duck with the included rubber bands and start hiding them. It's a fun activity that brings smiles to everyone on board. These ducks aren't just for hiding. Use them as fun decorations, for pool games, or even take memorable photos to share your cruise experience. What we like? If you're going on a cruise and want to participate in the popular duck hiding game, this is your perfect companion. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. Choose this if you're looking for a fun, interactive way to engage with the cruise community and spread a little joy. What people say. This giant rubber duck is surprisingly durable and holds its shape well, even when inflated for extended periods. The vibrant yellow color is eye-catching and hasn't faded despite being exposed to sunlight. It's quite large, making it a fantastic centerpiece for parties or a fun addition to a pool. Number 2. BigMouth Incorporated Giant Duck Pool Float. Get ready for the ultimate summer adventure with this iconic, oversized inflatable. It's perfect for pool parties, river floats, and all your water escapades. Inflation and deflation are a breeze. Crafted from high-quality, durable vinyl, this giant float is designed for endless hours of summer enjoyment. You can count on it for seasons of fun. Measuring over 4 feet wide, there's plenty of space for both kids and adults to lounge and play. Prepare for a summer filled with hilarious outdoor water fun. When the fun is over, it easily deflates and folds down compactly. Storing it between adventures is simple and convenient. Whether you're floating solo or with friends, this giant inflatable enhances any outdoor gathering. It's the perfect addition to your pool parties and water adventures. What we like? If you want to make a huge splash at your next pool party, this is the ultimate accessory. Its massive size ensures it's a centerpiece for fun and relaxation. You should definitely consider this if you're looking for a statement piece for summer gatherings and want ample space for lounging in the water. What people say. The giant rubber duck is surprisingly stable and doesn't tip over easily, even in choppy water. Its vibrant color makes it highly visible from a distance, which is great for safety and spotting it in a crowd. The material is durable and has withstood several hours of play in direct sunlight without any signs of fading or degradation. Number 1. Arttyma Rubber Ducks, 30-pack assortment. Discover a delightful assortment of rubber ducks, featuring a variety of characters and vibrant colors. These are perfect for adding a splash of fun to any occasion. Designed with soft, safe materials, these bath toys are ideal for babies and toddlers. They provide a worry-free playtime experience for your little ones. Whether you're into Jeep ducking, collecting, or just looking for a fun surprise, these are a fantastic choice. They bring joy to teens and adults alike. Each pack includes random colors and characters, making them perfect for classroom prizes, party favors, or even decorating your car. Get ready for a fun surprise. Available in convenient packs of 30, 50, or 100, you can easily share these colorful and cute ducks with your friends and family. Spread the happiness. What we like? If you need a good quantity of reliable, safe rubber ducks for various purposes, this pack is a great choice. They are perfect for younger children and versatile enough for many activities. Consider this if you're looking for a solid, all-around option for party favors, bath time, or even the popular Jeep ducking trend. What people say. The rubber duck is made of durable material that withstands outdoor elements. Its large size makes it a prominent decoration for gardens or events. The bright yellow color is fade-resistant, maintaining its vibrancy over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.